Hi guys, it's Rachel here at Unpara Dimension, and today we're going to be learning how to make traditional Thai papaya salad. We have all of our ingredients here, we already gathered them, and you are going to either be using papaya, but we're also going to go over how you can make a variation if you don't like the papaya, and we'll be using cucumber to make that one. You guys are going to need a mortar and a pestle here. You can decide how many peppers to put into your own papaya salad based on how much you like spicy food. But we're going to take about 2 green peppers and 2 red peppers and throw them in. We're also going to take about 4 or 5 pieces of garlic. You can leave the outer layer on the garlic too. You're going to take your pestle and go ahead and pound it into the mortar. So you don't want the pepper to be completely crushed up, but you want to crush it up about halfway. Next step is we are going to take the green beans and tomatoes and add them into our little mixture here. So one point for the green beans and tomatoes is we have the long stemmed ones here. You can actually use any green beans that you can get your hands on. You can also use any tomatoes. We have the cherry tomatoes, but you could use big tomatoes and chop them up, whatever you'd like to do. So we're going to take all of the green beans, just a little handful, and throw them in there and chop a little bit, like so. Starting to look like a papaya salad over here. Next, we're gonna add the tomatoes. You can just throw all of them in here. Maybe snack on one. And you do not have to pound in the tomatoes. So you can set that aside for a moment and go ahead and stir. That's good. Just squeeze a little bit of lime. If you can't find any limes where you're at, you can also get lemons. So just squeeze one in there. Squeeze all of them in there actually. Alright, so you've stirred in your tomatoes and crushed up your green beans a little bit. We're going to take a small half spoonful of salt. Oh, right this way. Not a full spoonful, just about half a spoonful. Go ahead and put that in there. Then you're going to take sugar. We have this sort of liquid sugar here, but you can use any sugar that you can find. So you can use normal white refined sugar, you can use brown sugar, any sort of sugar you can find. You're going to put about half of this spoonful into the mortar with the rest of your ingredients, like that. And as always, chop chop. And now for the main ingredient, we're going to add in the papaya. You can just dump a whole bowl full of papaya in here, put it in there. You can also add in the carrots at this time too. Take all the carrots, a little handful of carrots, and mix in. You want to kind of make this motion with your spoon and a pounding motion with the pestle into the mortar. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and plate our papaya salad, but first you want to go ahead and test it to make sure that it's a flavor you like. You don't want it to be too salty or too spicy or anything. Ooh, spicy. That's okay though, I like it hot. Looks yummy. Then you're going to add in your peanuts. Always tastes really yummy. Next to the papaya salad. You can snack on some if you want while you're making it. There you go. actually my personal favorite version. So let's clean everything up. Alright, let's eat. If you guys are vegetarian or vegan, you don't have to add anything onto your papaya salad. But if you'd like, you can add like some shrimps or add some crab on there. Anything that you'd like. You can also eat it just plain, or you can add in sticky rice or white noodles and eat it with that and dig in. Let's try the papaya kind. Woo. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a traditional Thai papaya salad. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more adventures here in Thailand and around the world. And I will see you guys next time. And when you guys are done making the papaya, you can jump in for a nice swim.